Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of window design. We've rounded up 5 modern window designs that add a luxury look to your home and come with extra benefits. Let's get started. Window Design 1, Floor-to-Ceiling Windows. First on our list are floor-to-ceiling windows. These expansive windows bring in a ton of natural light, making your space feel larger and more open. They're perfect for showcasing beautiful views and creating a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Plus, the abundance of natural light can help reduce energy costs. Window Design 2, Bay Windows. Bay windows extend outward from the main walls of your home, creating additional space inside. This design is perfect for creating cozy reading nooks or extra seating areas. Bay windows also add architectural interest and charm, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your home. Window Design 3, Skylights. Skylights are a fantastic way to bring natural light into areas that might not have many windows, like bathrooms or hallways. They create a bright, airy feel and can even improve your mood by providing more exposure to natural light. Skylights also offer ventilation options, which can help improve indoor air quality. Window Design 4, Sliding Glass Doors. Sliding glass doors are a modern window design that combines functionality with style. They provide easy access to outdoor areas like patios or gardens, making them perfect for entertaining. Sliding glass doors also offer expansive views and allow plenty of natural light to flood your space, enhancing both indoor and outdoor living experiences. Window Design 5, Double-Hung Windows. Last but not least, double-hung windows are a versatile and practical choice for any home. These windows have 2 operable sashes that can be adjusted for better ventilation. They're easy to clean and maintain, and their classic design can complement both traditional and contemporary interiors. Double-hung windows also provide excellent insulation, helping to keep your home comfortable year-round. And there you have it, 5 modern window designs with extra benefits and a luxury look. Whether you want to bring in more natural light, create a cozy look, or improve ventilation, these window designs have you covered. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with your favorite window design. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration and tips. Thanks for watching.